Hello everyone, welcome back to ForPips. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss who actually runs the Forex market. This is one of the most common questions. Does a single company run the Forex market? No. Does one broker control the entire market? Absolutely not. The Forex market does not depend on one person, one broker, or one company. Instead, it runs because of millions of participants around the world. These participants include central banks, commercial banks, investment banks, hedge funds, governments, multinational companies, brokers, institutional traders, retail traders. Every day, all of these participants buy and sell in the market. Their buying and selling activity causes prices to move up and down. In simple words, the real strength of the Forex market does not come from one person. It comes from the combined transactions of millions of buyers and sellers across the world. That is why the Forex market is known as the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Now you understand how the Forex market works, what an OTC market is, what a decentralized market is, where liquidity comes from, and who actually keeps the market running. But now, another important question comes up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.